Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abubakar Yakub Muhammad. Today I will show you how to access old cars wiring diagram using your mobile phone. So just navigate to Google Play Store, go to the search bar and type Carmin. So this is the application Carmin. You go ahead and download the application. Because I downloaded the application already, I will just open the application. I will be using Pjot to be precise. Pjot 207. Let me select this 5 doors. So here are the engines. 207 have different kind of engines. So I will be selecting TU5. That's 307 engine. Normal 307 engine. I will select electronic injection. That's engine wiring diagram. So I will select the first one. So yeah, here we go. This is engine wiring diagram for 207 307 engine. So here are some part numbers. You see, like this one is BSM. This one is OBD. This C001 is OBD. This one is ABS. So for you to understand in details these part numbers and wiring numbers, let's meet in the part 2.